One, two. One, two, three.
Unang araw pa lang, minahal na kita.
Boogum now, baby, you're casting your spell on me. I say boogum now, baby, you're casting your spell on me.
Let's go.
I just look at me. When you wear your high on a fence, I just stand there in a trance. I can't move. You're in the groove. Would you believe
Kinukondisyon ko pa kasi baka maiyak ako eh.
I'm crazy about you?
Umiyak na ako pagpasok mo, iyak pa ako ulit dito.
Now go now with your bad self. Ooh. Ooh, now mercy, mercy.
So, ina-announce ko na po na totoong internet love. Ito na po kami.
With long hair and things, you got style, girl. That show is wild. You know why that
Congrats for the second time.
you got soul, you got too much soul. I just said cockaboo, said cockaboo, said cockaboo. Now casting your spell on me. But I said cockaboo.
Freestyle lang to, alam mo naman. Two rhymes lang.
Now casting your spell on me. Ooh, you know, now casting your spell on me. Now casting your spell on me.
Bawat ngiti bawat luha bawat gising
Hintay dito.
bawat pikit
May iba pang...
bawat
So ngayon bilang mag-asawa na tayo, mas lalo kitang iingatan at uunawain. Sa tuwing mag-away tayo, lagi lang naman, kahit madalas, syempre, hindi naman mawawala yun, pero tinitake ko siya as love na ganun tayo eh. Ayun na yung love language natin. So, mahal na mahal kita. Gusto kong tumanda kasama ka.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yung performative?
At sana maglaho sa hangin.
Sabi nga nila, radikal lang magmahal. And I believe that more than and ever. Despite our different backgrounds and beliefs that we were raised with, we chose to meet in the middle. It is radical to choose a love that transcends these differences, and even more radical to build a life together. And I am so grateful that I have you in my life.
Dito ka na lang habang buhay. Dito ka na lang habang buhay. Dito ka na lang habang buhay. Habang buhay.
At kahit na hindi na nakikita, parating iniisip ang mga segundo.
Lagi akong, alam mo naman yun, simula dati pa, lagi lang ako nakasuporta sa'yo. Kahit naiirita ka na kasi minsan sa'yo na ako nakadepende. sa magiging desisyon ko. Pero lagi mo lang isipin na lagi kitang iniisip. Kaya sa bawat decision ko, kailangan ko ng sana lagi mong maalala at maintindihan yun. So,
Revere, my love, mahal, baby love, I choose you today. And I commit to choosing you every morning after this. I commit to being your partner in the boring stuff just as much as the big adventures na kung saan ba talaga tayo titira. And I will be your loudest cheerleader and your softest place to land.
Sa akin habang buhay. Dito ka na lang.
Kaya ang pagtatalaga nyo sa bawat isa ay hindi simpleng pagtatalaga, sapagkat ito ay lalaon hanggang kayo ay humihinga sa hirap at ginhawa, sa inyong kasakitan o sa inyong kalusugan. Mananatili ang inyong pag-ibig sa bawat isa.
Buhay. Dito ka na lang habang buhay, habang buhay.